Hello, I'm doing my UDL for week 10. I'm going to be doing the screencasted narrated video prompt. For our first question is going to be identify one area in which you have grown or can see potential growth based on this week's content. So I'm going to go over to my lesson plan. And one way that I feel that we've grown is that we've added a lot of teacher talk to our lesson plan. So for example, in our centers, we added a lot of what we would say to the students, like a script, and then some of their possible student responses. So we've done that for our explanation part of our lesson plan. And then our potential growth, I could see that we need to go through our lesson plan and maybe move things around to fit better into the different E's. So that way we know for sure that this section will go where it needs to go. For example, we moved where we would do our conferences with our students. Like right here with the feedback session, we moved that from, instead of an elaboration where we would have done that after their jigsaw questionnaire, we would have moved that up into our after our centers. So before we dismiss them to their jigsaw groups, we would do a feedback session just to make sure that when we release them on their own, they're truly on their own and that it's more student-centered. For the second question, our co-teaching model and how we put that into our lesson. So our co-teaching model is, let me come up here. Our co-teaching model is going to be our station teaching, and how we put that into our lesson plan is through our centers. And so each one of us will have a different tribe. So for example, Kelsey will have the Miwok tribe, I will have the Chumash tribe, and then Sergio will have the Mono tribe. And so our students will come around to our different centers, and that's how we'll all be able to teach at once, but have it not be so overwhelming to all of our students. And then which UDL product would make most sense in our lesson plan. I decided to do the s'more reflection because in our learning objective, we talked about the products being an outline, a blog journal, or a mind map. And I feel that with a s'more reflection, they can easily make either an outline or a blog journal, or even a mind map in this kind of this product, so that they're able to describe the different national identities and the characteristics that we would like them to incorporate for their product. And that concludes my UDL product for week 10. Thank you.